Hello everyone, Technomods here with another video, and in today's video we're looking essentially how to select large sets of data. So at the moment it's not like we have a large set of information to fill out here. So what I'm gonna do, if you head over to the previous videos, you'll see how we were talking about autofilling information. So I'm just gonna tell you to fill in series up to that point. I'm going to copy that, if you remember how we copied the information, and I'm going to paste that in here. So the next thing we are going to look into, though this is for another video, Excel has quick summation, and you can use that just to sum that point. Use the same here to quickly sum that, so that we'll essentially have a large set of information to autofill. So how do we do this? Let me copy that. I'm going to paste it here. So what this has done is just copying in the formulas for me, but don't stress about that, because in a later video we'll be looking specifically at functions, how to use them, and how you can use this for quick analysis. Because if you don't know how to analyze whatever you have, then it becomes hectic. So finally what we're looking at is this. Well, it's income minus expenses. So in this scenario you can see this person is deep in data. Yep, so now we have a large quote-unquote set of data. So one of the quickest ways to select, as we saw earlier, using your mouse button, hold down the left click button at the first cell to the last cell, and with that you'll be able to select your range. You can italicize, some of the basics. So the next quick selection tool that you can use, you can go to the first cell, come up here, and if for example in this data set we want to go to N22, so if I put in N22, hold down shift enter, it selects that range for me. So the third selection method, just pressing Ctrl A while selecting a cell anywhere within the large data set, selects that data set. If you press Ctrl A again, it selects the whole worksheet. So that's a key difference you need to understand. So a differentiator for this is, if I select a cell outside of my data set, press Ctrl A, it automatically selects the whole data set at once, including the blank cells. The fourth selection method, holding down the Control key, you can select the columns you want, and you can manipulate this as you please. So for example, if I wanted to delete the information in those cells, holding down delete, just once clicking or pressing the button deletes that. A quick shortcut to undo, as always, is Ctrl Z or Ctrl Z. This is just preference of how you want to say it. And finally you can select the rows as you wish in a very similar fashion. So over another video we'll be looking at a more advanced way of selecting the data by using formulas, just to select, say, alternating cells or alternating columns, selecting the columns based on what information is in there, and even further using filters to select the columns that you want to manipulate specifically without altering the others. So this and more videos are coming up, so make sure you tune into the channel. This was a really short video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, and you can always hit us up in the comment section to give feedback on what you'd like to see us doing specifically in Excel, or any other content that we have put out there, or you'd like to see us.